Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted. I don't know what the hold up is. I just been lazy. I haven't been doing videos, but I got a lot of new products, so I'm going to do a couple haul videos. I don't know if I'm gonna split it up in multiple videos or if I'm gonna do like one video. It just depends on how long it takes for this one. Sorry, these pickles so good. So yeah, I got a lot of new products that I want to share with you guys. I'll be doing some videos trying out the products. I might just incorporate it in these videos. So that's why I'm thinking I might split it up into multiple videos and do like, so I got some MAC, Sephora, some stuff I ordered online. So I might just split it up into separate videos and then do like an unboxing slash try on, whatever you want to call it. This needs to be an ASMR because these pickles are crunchy. Excuse my crunching, but these pickles are good. So, to start, I'm gonna show my address and stuff. I got some stuff I ordered from CVS that was on sale. CVS recently had a sale on like their LA Girl Pro Maybelline. I just had like a different sale on different cosmetics, and I needed some more stuff, so I ordered. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I guess this video will be considered like a drugstore haul. That's good. We could say a drugstore haul because this is all drugstore makeup, which drugstores have good stuff. So, what is this little bag? Oh, it's just my order form. So, it's not much in here, but I go through these things so much. So I got some LA Pro concealers, my favorite concealer. Like this is the only concealer I use right now. I'm definitely considering trying some more, but right now this is the only kind I use. I ordered, I think most of these are the same. So I got 4 toasts. This is what I usually use to conceal over my brows. And then I got 3 Fawn. I use this under my brows because I like for it to be highlighted lighter under the brow and then darker over the brow. So of course I had to order several of these, and I got them for, how much were the Fawn was on sale for $2.60 a piece, and then the toast was on sale for $3.16 a piece. So that's like a really good deal because I normally pay like $4. Where'd I go? UPS. I go UPS with my other package. Yeah. Bad little UPS truck. Okay. I gotta stop packages coming in. And then Oh, okay, so I got the LA Pro concealers in Fawn and Toast. And then I've never used these colors. I think he's still parking. I've never used these colors. I want to try them. This is the green corrector. I normally don't use corrector. I just put concealer. You know, you can see I got dark spots. So I usually just put concealer there. But I wanted to try like the green and the, what's this, red? Yeah, the red corrector. So I've never used these, but I am going to do a video trying them out under my makeup to see how it works. Because I don't like these dark spots I have under my eyes and like over my lip and then like on the side of my lips. So if you guys got any suggestions of, you know, what I can use under my eyes, over my lip, and on the sides of my mouth, and even like right here on the side of my face, you see, if you got any suggestions on what I can use that's good for dark spots, because when I put my makeup on, I don't like to be able to see those spots. Of course, you know, I do use concealer under, and then I also put it over once I get the makeup on. That usually works, but I wanted to try these. And then I also got color is this? I forgot I ordered this, and I was about to order this again yesterday. Dang. I was about to order this on Amazon. I got a NYX lip gloss in the color Praline. It looks like it'll be a really cute nude color. I might actually just do a swatch as well. But this is the color Praline. I want to see what this is gonna look like. You get the package?
No, they didn't stop.
Oh. I had no mirror up here. I don't know if I like this. It's supposed to be like look more pinkish. I don't know about this color. It was cute when I looked at it online. Let me come closer. I don't know if you can see because of the light. I don't know. Cause he must be lost. He coming back around. Sound like. Cause he done got lost. He done came back around. He parking now. Yeah, I just watched him. He just came back around and parked again. It's the same man.
Bro, we can get you a ring light on Amazon for $24.
I don't know. It looks. I had a mirror up here. It looks pretty good. I guess it looked good. I don't know on my hand though. It looked kind of pinkish, but I guess I like it. Again, this was the color Praline. I'm about to try it out with like a whole look and see. And then excuse my dog. As soon as somebody not gonna do it, she bark like she's crazy. And then I also wipe this off. Yeah. Oh, you can see it when I wipe it off. The color looks like. Girl, it's light. I guess you can see it. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like this color or not. And give me some ideas for a good nude look. I wanted that NYX butter. I think it's called butter gloss. Wait, this is butter gloss, but the color was, I forgot the name of the color. It was really pretty, like a nude color for dark color women, and it's been discontinued. Why are you opening my box? That's supposed to be a video.
Yeah, open the bottom of it.
Anyway, it's been discontinued, but I'm gonna definitely try this out, and I will do a video, like a full face, and use this color. Definitely let you guys know how it turns out, and of course you can see it now. Let me know what you think about it. And last but not least, I have a NYX eyeliner. This is the That's the Point, put a wing on it, artistry liner. I've been using for like the past year. For the past year, I've been using what's it called? The Tarte Clay liner. Yeah, Tarte's Clay liner. I think that's what it's called, but that's what I've been using. And I wanted to try something different for my wing, because I've been like wearing wings like crazy lately. Every time I do my makeup, I have to put a wing for some reason lately. And I wanted to try something different. So I'm gonna give this a try. Get that wing on the box. My stuff to be sharp. So this is the color black. It's the That's the Point, put a wing on it eyeliner. I mean wing liner. And I really don't use liquid liners that much. Well, I haven't used them like for the past year. I've been using the Tarte. So I want to give it a try. See how thick this line is. It looks really precise when I did some messy little lines, but my lines look really dark and precise. I don't know. I think I better do a good wing with this. I don't have no mirror. Let me see. Click. Let's see how this works. Pretty good. Put that in line. Bell outside?
No. Video.
What? I hear her barking. Okay, look at this little wing, girl. It looks pretty good. I am in love. I done found me a new liner. Like, it's really good. Really sharp. So, I give this a thumbs up. 5 stars for That's the Point. Put a wing on it. Check out that wing, though.
You need a mirror?
Nope, I have one. I really like this. So So this like, it might be my new go-to eyeliner. I definitely recommend that because I like it. So that's it for my drugstore haul, y'all. Again, I got all these LA Pro concealers. And I got the red and the green corrector. And then this NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. And then this Put a Wing on It, NYX Put a Wing on It liner. I definitely like this liner. Like, no joke. My first time trying it, I think I really love it. I'll give y'all a thumbs up, NYX. Looks pretty good. So again, that's all for this video. That was basically my drugstore haul. I have some more packages over here, which I'm going to do them in separate videos. So it's not that long because, you know, I know when I'm watching videos, I get bored once it gets so long. So thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure to check out my other videos if you haven't already. I have some more to come, some more hauls. Make sure to check out those. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And please, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Like, I'm on the road to 1,000. Help me out. Subscribe to my channel. I definitely have some interesting stuff coming. I'm going to be posting more videos, doing more looks. If you guys have anything you want me to do, definitely leave it in the comments below and let me know. But again, please, if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.